So once again, good evening, everybody. Good evening, Rutuja, Sachin, Pooja.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Yep. So as I talked to you that our syllabus is a vast syllabus, and in this syllabus we are going to learn a lot of things. We are going to study a lot of things. So first of all, as I told you, we start with all the to be forms, and then all WH and then all tenses, then all WH questions, and then prepositions, modals, degrees of adjectives, degrees of adverbs, passive voice, and then all nouns, pronouns, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions, interjections. In this way, we are going to study a lot of things. And in demo sessions, in doubt sessions also, you are going to learn a lot of things. So here we are just going to have a bit revision what we studied last. All right, Pooja. Pooja,
Yes,
repeat
sir.
after me. Pooja, repeat after me. Everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Pooja, repeat after me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Am I in the office?
Am I in the office?
Just answer me. Okay, try to answer everybody. Rutuja, Siddesh, सर्वांनी आन्सर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. Am I in the
Yes.
office? Answer me, Pooja. Am I in
Yes.
the office?
Yes, you are in the office. No, you are not in the office.
Are we in the office?
Yes, we are in the office. No, we are not in the office.
Are you in the office?
Yes, I am in the office. No, I am not in the office.
Are you in the office?
Yes, we are in the office. No, we are not in the office.
Are they in the office?
Yes, they are in the office. No, they are not in the office.
Are Ram and Sham in the office?
Yes, Ram and Sham are in the office. No, Ram and Sham are not in the office.
Is he in the office?
Yes, he is in the office. No, he is not in the office.
Is she in the office?
Yes, she is in the office. No, she is not in the office.
Is it in the office?
Yes, it is in the office. No, it is not in the office.
Is Ram in the office?
Yes, Ram in the office. No, Ram is
in the office. Okay.
Oh.
All right, fine. Sachin. Am I in the hostel? Unmute yourself, Sachin. Am I in the hostel?
Yes, I am in. Yes,
You are in the hostel. It is written here. Yes, you are in the hostel. No, you are not in the hostel in this way.
yes, sir.
Okay. Am I in the hostel?
Yes, you are in the hostel. No, you are not in the hostel.
Are we in the hostel?
Yes, we are in the hostel. No, we are not in the hostel.
Siddesh, in mute status only try to answer it. Okay. Are you in the hostel?
Yes, yes. Are you in the hostel?
I am
Yes.
in the hostel.
Yes, I am in the hostel. No, I am not in the hostel.
Are you in the hostel?
Yes,
We
yes,
are.
yes. We are in the hostel. No, we are not in the hostel.
Are they in the hostel?
Yes, they are in the hostel. No, they are not in the hostel.
Are Ram and Sham in the hostel?
Yes, Ram and Sham
Are
in the
in the
hostel.
hostel.
Yes, Ram and Sham are in the hostel. No, Ram and Sham are not in the hostel.
Is he in the hostel?
Yes, he is in the hostel. No, he is not in the hostel.
Is she in the hostel?
Yes, she is in the hostel. No, she is not in the hostel.
Is it in the hostel?
Yes, it is in the hostel. No, it is not in the hostel.
Is Ram in the hostel?
Yes, Ram is in the hostel. No, Ram is not in the hostel.
Okay, Siddesh, answer me. Am I in the garden? Unmute yourself, Siddesh. Unmute yourself and answer me. Am I in the garden? Yeah, answer me. Am I in the garden?
Yes, you are in the garden. No, you are not in the garden.
Are we in the garden?
Yes, we are in the garden. No, we are not in the garden.
Are you in the garden?
Yes, I am in the garden. No, I am not in the garden.
Are you in the garden?
Yes, we are in the garden. We are in the garden. No, we are not in the garden.
Are they in the garden?
Yes, they are in the garden. No, they are not in the garden.
Are Ram and Sham in the garden?
Yes, Ram and Sham are in the garden, and Sham are not in the garden.
Is he in the garden?
Yes, he is in the garden. No, he is not in the garden.
Is she in the garden?
Yes, she is in the garden. No, she is not in the garden.
Is it in the garden?
Yes, it is in the garden. No, it is not in the garden.
Is Ram in the garden?
Yes, Ram is in the garden. No, Ram is not in the garden.
Okay, Rutuja. Answer me. Am I in the office? Am I in the company? Okay. Am I in the company?
Yes, I am in the company.
You are.
You are in the company. I am not in the company.
No, you are not in the company. Answer me again. Answer me again. Am I in the company?
No.
Yes,
You are-
yes. इथं तुमच्या समोर एक चार्ट दिसतोय बघा. चार्ट मध्ये आन्सर्स आहेत पहा.
Hmm.
All right, answer me again. Am I in the company?
No.
Yes, yes मध्ये. Yes, you are in the company. No,
Yes.
you are not in the company. हा उत्तर द्या. Am I in the company?
Yes, you are in the company.
No. No मध्ये पण द्या.
No, you are not in the company.
Very good. Are we in the company?
Yes, are in the company.
We are. आहे पहा तुमच्या समोर
Yes,
दिसलंय.
we are in the company. No, we are not in the company.
Correct. Are you in the company?
Yes, I am in the company. No, I am not in company.
Are you in the company?
Yes, we are in the company. No, we are not in the company.
Are they in the company?
Yes, they are in the company. No, they are not in the company.
Are Ram and Sham in the company?
Yes, Ram and Sham are in the company. No, Ram and Sham are not in the company.
Is he in the company?
Yes, he is in the company. Yeah, no, he is not in the company.
Is she in the company?
Yes, she is the company. No, no, it is not in
He
the
is not in the company.
company.
Is it in the company?
Yes, yes, Ram is.
It is.
in-
It is. Yeah. Is it in the company?
Yes, it is in the company. Not it is in. It is not in the company.
Is Ram in the company?
Yes, Ram. Yes, Ram is in the company. No, Ram is not in the company.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. In this way, we talked about positive to be forms present. And now we'll work on to be forms past. Okay. To be forms past. So in the to be forms, because we are working on WH questions, right, Pooja? WH questions in to be forms, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we should know to be forms past also and to be forms future also. So we are going to have just revision. Pooja, repeat after me. Was I in the college?
Yes, you were in the college. No, you were not in the college.
Okay, try to answer everybody. Sachin, Siddesh, Rutuja, म्यूट असतानाच आन्सर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा, प्रॅक्टिस करायचं. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी तुमचा टर्न येईल त्यावेळी तुम्हाला भरपूर प्रॅक्टिस झालेला असणार आहे. अंडरस्टँड? सो जस्ट ट्राय टू प्रॅक्टिस द आन्सर्स. Try to practice the answers. All right. Yeah. Pooja, answer me again from the first. Was I in the museum?
Yes, you were in the museum. No, you were not in the museum.
Were we in the museum?
Yes, you were in the museum. No, we were not in the museum.
Were you in the museum?
Yes, I was in the museum. No, I was not in the museum.
Were you in the museum?
Yes, we were in the museum. No, we were not in the museum.
Were they in the museum?
Yes, they were in the museum. No, they were not in the museum.
Were Ram and Sham in the museum?
Yes, Ram and Sham were in the museum. No, Ram and Sham were not in the museum.
Was he in the museum?
Yes, he was in the museum. No, he was not in the museum.
Was she in the museum?
Yes, she was in the museum. No, she was not in the museum.
Was it in the museum?
Yes, it was in the museum. No, it was not in the museum.
Was Ram in the museum?
Yes, Ram was in the museum. No, Ram was not in the museum.
Very good. Good job. Sachin, answer me. Okay, everybody is answering in mute status. Mute मध्ये answer करायचं आहे. सिद्धेश, ऋतुजा. Was I on the job?
Yes, you were in the job. No,
In the job नाहीये म्हणत मी. On the job म्हणतोय. On the job. Was
Yes.
I on the job?
yes, you were on the job. No, you were not on the job.
Were we on the job?
Yes, we were on the job. No, we were not on the job.
Were you on the job?
Yes, I was. I was. I was
On the
on
job.
the job. No, I was not on the job.
Were you on the job?
Yes, we were on the job. No, we were not on the job.
Were they on the job?
Yes, they were on the job. No, they were not on the job.
Were Ram and Shyam on the job?
Yes, Ram and Shyam were on the job. No, Ram and Shyam were not on the job.
Was he on the job?
Yes, he was on the job. No, no, he was not on the job.
Was she on the job?
Yes, she was on the job. No, she was not on the job.
Was it on the job?
Yes, it was on the job. No, it was not on the job.
Was Ram on the job?
Yes, Ram was in the job, on the job. No, Ram was not on the job.
Okay, very good. Was I in the, okay, Siddesh, answer me. Was I in the training?
Yes, you were on the training.
In the training,
In the training.
No.
Yes, you were in the training. No, you were not in the training.
Were we in the training?
Yes, we were in the training. No, we were not in the training.
Were they in the training?
Yes, I was.
They were.
They were. Yes, they were in the training. No, they were not in the training.
Were Ram and Shyam in the training?
Yes, Ram and Sham were in the training. No, Ram and Sham were not in the training.
Was he in the training?
Yes, he was in the training. No, he was not in the training.
Was she in the training?
Yes, she was in the training. No, she was not in the training.
Was it in the training?
Yes, it was in the training. No, it was not in the training.
Was Ram in the training?
Yes, Ram was in the training. No, Ram was not in the training.
Very good. Good job. Rutuja,
Yes.
was I in the classroom?
Yes, you were in the classroom. Not you were not in the classroom.
व्हेरी गुड. आणि हे दररोज प्रॅक्टिस करणार आहे ऋतुजा, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला ते सरळ जाईल. आज थोडंसं अवघड जाईल, पण तो आपल्याला दररोज प्रॅक्टिस करायचं आहे, त्यामुळे ते सरळ जाईल. काय काळजी करू नका. ओके. वर वी इन द क्लासरूम?
Yes, we were in the classroom. No, we were not in the classroom.
वर यू इन द क्लासरूम?
Yes, I was in the classroom. No, I was not in the classroom.
वर यू इन द क्लासरूम?
Yes, we were in the classroom. No, we were not in the classroom.
वर दे इन द क्लासरूम?
Yes, they were in the classroom. No, they were not in the classroom.
वर राम एंड श्याम इन द क्लासरूम?
Yes, Ram and Sham were in the classroom. No, Ram and Sham were not in the classroom.
Was he in the classroom?
Yes, he was in the classroom. No, he was not in the classroom.
Was she in the classroom?
Yes, she
was.
In the classroom. No, she was not in the classroom.
Was it in the classroom?
Yes, it was in the classroom. No, it was not in the classroom.
Was Ram in the classroom?
Yes, Ram was in the classroom. No, Ram was not in the classroom.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Nice. Okay. Now we'll go for the next. Next is to be forms future. So here we use shall be and will be. Okay. Everybody is answering. Everybody is answering in mute status. Okay. Everybody is answering in mute status. Yeah. Pooja, answer me. Shall I be? Shall I be in Mumbai? Okay.
Yes.
Shall I be in Mumbai?
Yes, you will be in the Mumbai. No, you
Not
will-
the Mumbai, because Mumbai is the proper
Particle,
noun. We do
yeah.
not use a and the. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I be in Mumbai?
Yes, you will be in Mumbai. No, we will not be in Mumbai.
Shall we be in Mumbai?
Yes, we shall be in Mumbai. No, we shall not be Mumbai.
Will you be in Mumbai?
Yes, I shall be in Mumbai. No, I shall not be in Mumbai.
Will you be in Mumbai?
Yes, we shall be in Mumbai. No, we shall not be in Mumbai.
Will they be in Mumbai?
Yes, they will be in Mumbai. No, they will not be in Mumbai.
Will Ram and Shyam be in Mumbai?
Yes, Ram and Shyam will be in Mumbai. No, Ram and Shyam will not be in Mumbai.
Will he be in Mumbai?
Yes, he will be in Mumbai. No, he will not be in Mumbai.
Will she be in Mumbai?
Yes, she will be in Mumbai. No, she will not be in
Will
Mumbai.
it be in Mumbai?
Yes, it will. It will be in Mumbai. No, it will be not in Mumbai.
Will Ram be in Mumbai?
Yes, Ram will be in Mumbai. No, Ram will not be in Mumbai.
Okay, Sachin, shall I be in Jaipur?
Yes, yes, you will be in Jaipur. No, you will not be in Jaipur.
Shall we be in Jaipur?
Shall we? Yes, we shall be in Jaipur. No, we shall not be in Jaipur.
Will you be in Jaipur?
Yes, I shall be in Jaipur. No, I shall not be in Jaipur.
Will you be in Jaipur?
Yes, yes, we shall be in Jaipur. No, we shall not be in Jaipur.
Will they be in Jaipur?
Yes, they will be in Jaipur. No, they will not be in Jaipur.
Will Ram and Shyam be in Jaipur?
Yes, Ram and Shyam will be in Jaipur. No, Ram and Shyam will not be in Jaipur.
Will he be in Jaipur?
Yes, he will not be in
He
Jaipur.
will be in Jaipur.
Sorry. Yes, he will be in Jaipur. No, he will not be in Jaipur.
Will she be in Jaipur?
Yes, she will be in Jaipur. No, she will not be in Jaipur.
Will it be in Jaipur?
Yes, it will be in Jaipur. No, it will not be in Jaipur.
Will Ram be in Jaipur?
Yes, Ram will be in Jaipur. No, Ram will not be in Jaipur.
Very good. Siddesh. Shall I be in Kolhapur?
Yes, you will be in Kolhapur. No, you will not be in Kolhapur.
Shall we be in Kolhapur?
Yes, we shall be in Kolhapur. No, we shall not be in Kolhapur.
Will you be in Kolhapur?
Yes, I shall be in Kolhapur. No, I shall not be in Kolhapur.
Will you be in Kolhapur?
Yes, we shall be in Kolhapur. No, we shall not be in Kolhapur.
Will they be in Kolhapur?
Yes, they will be in Kolhapur. No, they will not be in Kolhapur.
Will Ram and Shyam be in Kolhapur?
Yes, Ram and Shyam will be in Kolhapur. No, Ram and Shyam will not be in Kolhapur.
Will he be in Kolhapur?
Yes, he will be in Kolhapur. No, he will not be in Kolhapur.
Will she be in Kolhapur?
Yes, she will be in Kolhapur. No, she will not be in Kolhapur.
Will it be in Kolhapur?
Yes, it will be in Kolhapur. No, it will be in Kolhapur.
Will Ram be in Kolhapur?
Yes, Ram will be in Kolhapur. No, Ram will not be in Kolhapur.
Very good. Rutuja, answer me. Shall I be in Nagpur?
Yes, I will be in.
No.
In
Look at the chart. Rutuja. Shall I be in Nagpur?
Yeah. Yes. You will be in the.
द नाही येणार फक्त इन नागपूर.
म्हणजे द म्हणायचंच नाही का?
हा, कारण का नाव आहे ना द, हे नागपूर हे नाव आहे ना, नावासमोर ए वापरायचं नाही.
Yes, you will be in Nagpur. No, you will not be in Nagpur.
Very good. Shall we be in Nagpur?
Yeah, yes, we shall be in Nagpur. No, we shall not be in Nagpur.
Will you be in Nagpur?
Yes, I shall be in Nagpur. No, I shall not be Nagpur.
Okay. Will you be in Nagpur?
Yes, we shall be in Nagpur. No, we shall not be in Nagpur.
Will they be in Nagpur?
Yes, they will be in Nagpur. No, they will not be in Nagpur.
Will Ram and Shyam be in Nagpur?
Yes, Ram and Shal will be Nagpur. No, Ram and shall be not be Nagpur.
In Nagpur. In Nagpur.
Nagpur.
Will he be in Nagpur?
Will
Will
he
he
be
be in Nagpur?
in Nagpur?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
उत्तर द्या. Yes, he will be in Nagpur. No, he will not be in Nagpur. असं उत्तर द्या. अनेकदा प्रश्न विचारतोय. Will he be in Nagpur?
Will he be in Nagpur? No, Ram and Sham will not be in Nagpur.
Okay. Will he be in Nagpur?
Will he be in Nagpur?
उत्तर द्या. Yes, he will be in Nagpur. बघून उत्तर द्या ना. फक्त इन द ऑफिसच्या ऐवजी इन नागपूर वापरायचं आहे.
Yes, he will be in the Nagpur. No, he will not be in Nagpur.
करेक्ट. म्हणजे ऑफिसच्या ऐवजी फक्त द ऑफिसच्या ऐवजी नागपूर वापरायचं आहे. ओके. विल शी बी इन नागपूर?
Yes, she will be in Nagpur. No, she will not be in Nagpur.
Will it be in Nagpur?
Yes, it will be in Nagpur. No, it will not be in Nagpur.
Will Ram be in Nagpur?
Yes, Ram will be in Nagpur. No, Ram will be in Nagpur.
Okay, very good. Good job. In this way, we talked about all the to be forms. We just had a practice of all the to be forms. Now today we are going to work on WH questions. And in WH questions, we'll talk about when WH questions, right, Pooja? I think last we talked about who WH questions. Today we'll talk about when WH questions. And tomorrow also we are going to have a revision a bit. So it will be easy for you all to remember all the syllabus every day. So every day we are going to have around 15 minutes revision. And at 10 o'clock, there will be a doubt session. So everybody is welcome to attend the doubt session at 10 o'clock.
Nobody call from in class.
Nobody?
Call. You said this day.
You did not get a call. No, you will get a call. You will get a call.
Okay.
You will get a call within 2 days because we got a huge list, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you will get a call that, no problem. All right, fine. You will get a call for that. For all the recordings and everything, you will get a call. All right. Now just repeat after me, everybody. Everybody repeat after me. Huh? Pooja, repeat after me.
Yes, sir.
Pooja, turn on kara. Video turn on kara. Siddesh, video turn on करा आणि बोलायचंय माझ्यानंतर बोलायचंय. तुम्ही म्यूट राहून बोलायचंय. सिद्धेश, ऋतुजा, म्यूट राहून बोलायचंय. ओके, माझ्यानंतर बोला. When am I here?
When am I here?
You are here at 6 a.m.
You are here at 6 a.m.
When are we here?
When are we here?
We are here at 6 a.m.
We are here at 6 a.m.
बोलायचंय ऋतुजा, सिद्धेश, सचिन बोलायचंय. When are you here?
When are you here?
We are here at 6 a.m.
I am here at 6 a.m.
When are you here?
We are here at 6 a.m.
When are they here?
Are
नंतर
and
बोलायचंय.
S are.
तुझ्या माझ्यानंतर
Okay.
बोला एकदा.
Okay.
When are they here?
When are they here?
They are here at 6 a.m.
They are here at 6 a.m.
When are Ram and Sham here?
When are Ram and Sham here?
Ram and Sham are here at 6 a.m.
Ram and Sham are here at 6 a.m.
When is he here?
When is he here?
He is here at 6 a.m.
He is here at 6 a.m.
When is she here?
When is she here?
She is here at 6 a.m.
She is here at 6 a.m.
When is Ram here?
When is Ram here?
Ram is here at 6 a.m.
Ram is here at 6 a.m.
Okay, when am I here? मी इथे केव्हा असतो? When are we here? आम्ही इथे केव्हा असतो? When are you here? तू इथे केव्हा असतोस? When are you here? तुम्ही इथे सर्वजण केव्हा असता? When are they here? ते इथे केव्हा असतात? When are Ram and Sham here? Ram and Sham इथे केव्हा असतात? When is he here? तो इथे केव्हा असतो? When is she here? ती इथे केव्हा असते? When is it here? When is Ram here? Ram इथे केव्हा असतो? All right. Now Pooja, answer me. Everybody is answering me. Now at the place of at 6 a.m. we are going to use other answers like in the evening, at midnight, in a month, in this way. Okay, Pooja, answer me. You are here in the evening. Okay. When am I here?
You are here in the evening.
When are we here?
You are here in evening.
We are. When are we here?
We are here in the evening.
When are you here?
I am here in evening.
ओके ऋतुजा शांत बसायचं नाही, ऐकायचं नाहीये. तुम्ही ट्राय करायचा उत्तर देण्याचा. ऋतुजा, सिद्धेश तुम्ही सुद्धा ट्राय करायचंय उत्तर देण्याचा. ओके आणि पहिल्यापासून स्टार्ट करतोय. ऋतुजा, टर्न ऑन युअर व्हिडिओ. व्हेन एम आय हिअर? यू आर हिअर इन द इव्हनिंग. ओके. व्हेन एम आय हिअर?
We are here at in the 6 p.m.
ओके आणि पहिल्यापासून स्टार्ट करतोय पूजा. व्हेन एम आय हिअर? यू आर हिअर इन द इव्हनिंग. ओके. व्हेन एम आय हिअर?
You are here in the evening.
When are we here?
We are here in the evening.
When are you here?
I am here in the evening.
When are you here?
We are here in the evening.
When are they here?
They are here in the evening.
When are Ram and Shyam here?
Ram and Shyam,
Faster.
Ram and Shyam are here in the evening.
When is he here?
He is here in the evening.
When is she here?
He is here in the evening.
When is Ram here?
Ram is in here in the evening.
When is the party? The party is in the evening.
Yes.
When is the party?
The party in the evening.
The party is in the evening.
party
When is the party?
The party is in the evening.
When was the party? Everybody answer me. When was the party? The party was in the evening. When will be the party? The party will be in the evening. Okay. And once again, when is the party?
The party is in the evening.
When was the party?
The party was in the evening.
When will be the party?
The party will in the evening.
When is the celebration? When is the celebration? When is the celebration?
The celebration is in the Pune.
No, when, not I am asking about where. I am asking about when. In the evening, in the morning, at night.
Evening.
Okay, in the evening. Okay, very good. When is the celebration?
When is the celebration? In
The
the
celebration
Pune
is in the evening.
evening.
हा पूजा वेअर विचारलं समजा तर त्याचा उत्तर आहे इन पुणे. पण तू वेन विचारतोय ना, केव्हा विचारतोय मी? इन द इव्हनिंग. ओके. वेन इज द सेलिब्रेशन?
The celebration
इज इन द इव्हनिंग.
is in the evening.
वेन वॉज द सेलिब्रेशन? हा फक्त फॉर्म्युला आहे. ह्यामध्ये तुम्ही लाखो क्वेश्चन्स आणि आन्सर्स विचारू शकता. ऑलराइट. वेन वॉज द सेलिब्रेशन?
The celebration was in the evening.
वेन विल बी द सेलिब्रेशन?
The celebration will be in the evening.
ओके. ऋतुजा आन्सर करायचंय म्यूट मध्ये आन्सर करायचंय. मला तुमच्या ओठांच्या हालचालीवरून कळेल की तुम्ही बोलताय की नाही. सचिन, इट इज नॉट अ लिसनिंग क्लास, इट इज अ स्पीकिंग क्लास. ओके. वेन इज युअर रिझल्ट? पूजा, वेन इज युअर रिझल्ट?
My result in the evening.
माय रिझल्ट
Is in the evening.
ओके. वेन वॉज युअर रिझल्ट?
My result was in the evening.
वेन विल बी युअर रिझल्ट?
My result will be in the evening.
करेक्ट. वेन इज युअर बर्थडे? ओके. वेन इज युअर बर्थडे पार्टी?
My party is
In
in the afternoon.
in the afternoon. Correct. You can select any answer from here. When was your party?
My party was in the afternoon.
When will be your party?
My party will be in the afternoon.
Okay. When is your test?
My test is at 5 p.m.
Okay. When was your test?
My test was at 6 a.m.
When will be your test?
My test will be at 5 p.m.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Sachin, answer me. शांत बसू नका कोणी. सिद्धेश, ऋतुजा बोलत राहायचंय. मी एकाला विचारला तर सर्वांनी आन्सर्स द्यायचे. बोलत राहायचंय. ओके. वेन एम आय हिअर? यू आर हिअर इन जुलै. असं उत्तर द्या. हा. वेन एम आय हिअर?
You are here in July.
वेन आर वी हिअर?
We are here in का sir?
हा, इन जुलै. बरोबर.
हा, in July. We are here in July.
वेन आर यू हिअर?
I am here in July.
वेन आर यू हिअर?
We are here in July.
वेन आर दे हिअर?
They are here in July.
वेन आर राम अँड श्याम हिअर?
Ram and Sham are here in July.
वेन इज ही हिअर?
He is here in July.
वेन इज शी हिअर?
She is here in July.
वेन इज राम हिअर?
Ram is here in July.
वेन इज योर एक्झाम?
My exam in August.
Is in August. Okay. When was
Okay.
your exam?
When was
My exam was
my exam was in August.
When will be your exam?
My exam will be in September.
When is your interview?
My interview is in afternoon.
When was your interview?
My interview was in evening.
When will be your interview?
My interview will be in at morning.
Okay, when is your lecture?
My lecture was in
My lecture is.
in afternoon.
When was your lecture?
My lecture was in morning.
When will be your lecture?
My lecture was in at night.
Okay, when is your appointment?
My appointment is at 6 a.m.
When was your appointment?
My appointment was at night.
When will be your appointment?
My appointment will be at 9 a.m.
Very good. Good job. Good job, Siddesh. Sachin, good job. Now, Siddesh. When am I here? You are here on Monday. Okay, on Monday should be the answer. When am I here?
You are here on Monday.
When are we here?
We are here on Monday.
When are you here?
I am here on Monday.
When are you here?
We are here on Monday.
When are they here?
They are here on Monday.
When are Ram and Sham here?
Ram and Sham are here on Monday.
When is he here?
He is here on Monday.
When is she here?
She is here on Monday.
When is Ram here?
Ram is here on Monday.
When is your appointment?
My appointment is in the evening.
When was your appointment?
My appointment was in the afternoon.
When will be your appointment?
My appointment will be in the morning.
When is your match?
My match is in the evening.
When was your match?
My match was in evening.
When will be your match?
My match will be in the morning.
When is inauguration?
The inauguration is in the evening.
When was inauguration?
When?
When was inauguration?
The inauguration was in the morning.
When will be inauguration?
Inauguration will be in the July.
Okay, when is your meeting?
My meeting is in next month.
Okay, when was your meeting?
My meeting was in evening.
Okay, when will be your meeting?
My meeting will be in morning.
When is your study time?
My study time is in
Morning, in the evening,
morning.
at
the
night,
morning.
at noon. Okay, when was your study time?
My study time was in the afternoon.
When will be your study time?
My study time will be in the morning.
Okay, when is the delivery of the product?
The delivery of product is in the next month.
When was the delivery of the product?
The delivery of product was in evening.
When will be the delivery of the product?
The delivery of product will be in the next month.
When is the admission? When is the completion of the project?
The completion of project in the morning.
When was the completion of the project?
The completion of project was in the afternoon.
When will be the completion of the project?
Completion of project will be in the next day.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Rutuja. When am I here? You are here in the morning. In the morning. Okay. At 6 a.m. च्या ऐवजी in the morning वापरायचं आहे फक्त ऋतुजा. When am I here?
You are here at
6 a.m. च्या ऐवजी in the morning वापरायचं.
in
You
the
are
morning.
here in the morning. Okay.
In the
अनेकदा उत्तर द्या.
morning.
अनेकदा सेम उत्तर द्या.
हा.
When am I here?
You are here in the morning.
Correct. When are we here?
Where are here at the morning, evening. असंच ना?
In the morning फक्त. At 6 AM च्या ऐवजी in the morning लिहायचं. बस.
Morning.
अनेदा उत्तर द्या. अनेदा पहिल्यापासून घेऊया.
हो.
Okay. When am I here?
You are the here at in the
At नाही बोलायचं. In the
Here-
at 6 AM च्या ऐवजी in the morning बोलायचं आहे फक्त.
in the morning.
अनेकदा घेऊया आपण. Okay. When am I here?
You are here in the morning.
When are we here?
We are here in the morning.
When are you here?
I am here in the morning.
When are you here?
We are
Here. We are here in the morning. बोला.
we are here in the morning.
When are they here?
They are here the morning.
When are Ram and Shyam here?
Ram and Sham are here the morning.
When is he here?
He is here in the morning.
When is she here?
She is here in the morning.
When is Ram here?
Ram is here in the morning.
Very good. When is your party?
My party in the
My party
Evening.
is in the morning. Huh? My party is in the morning. बोला.
party is in the morning.
When was your party? ऋतुजा भरपूर कॉल्स येत आहेत तुम्हाला असं दिसतंय. Okay. When will be your party?
Hello,
When
sir.
will be your party?
My party is in the
Morning. My
morning.
party was in the morning and my party
Morning.
will be in the morning. असे
Morning.
3 आन्सर्स असणार आहेत. अनेकदा उत्तर द्या. When is your party?
My party is in the morning.
When was your party?
My party was in the evening.
When will be your party?
Yeah, will be in the my party is in
Will
the
be.
will be my party is the
बघा ऐका. Is एका वाक्यात घ्यायचं आहे. My party is in the morning. My party was in the morning. And my party will be in the morning. मिक्स नाही करायचं कोणतेही. ओके. अनेकदा पहिल्यापासून उत्तर द्या. When is your party? ओके फाइन. सिद्धेश उत्तर द्या. When is your party?
My party.
When is your party?
My party is in the evening.
When was your party?
My party was in the evening.
When will be your party?
My party is in the
Will-
evening.
Will be in the evening. Okay, fine.
Party will be in the evening.
Okay, when is your competition?
My competition is in the evening.
When was your competition?
My competition was
In the evening.
in evening.
When will be your competition?
My competition will be in the morning.
When is your yoga session?
My yoga session is in the evening.
When was your yoga session?
My yoga session was in the evening.
When will be your yoga session?
My yoga session will be in the morning.
Very good. Good job. Got it? In this way, we talked about when questions and answers today. Tomorrow, we are going to see 2 questions and answers. Where and how. Where and how. And in how, we are going to see 3 types of the how questions and answers. So in this way, tomorrow, we are going to study a huge syllabus. That is where and how questions. Where and how questions and their answers. All right. So now we are going to start our next session, and our next session is